Okay, so I think I found out how we can do this, how we can edit this wiki. So you're at your main page, and this is just front page right here. Then I went to special pages, and then I went to list all pages. Now, the only thing that I can't figure out is how to change the titles of these pages. But maybe you can figure it out, but we can still start to edit it. Just take notes on what pages you're editing, because these are automatically pre-filled articles, and so we're going to have to either delete these or do something else with them anyway. So hopefully we can figure out how to edit the titles. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Let's see. So are using email. Okay, so we need to edit this page. Edit. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of the whole thing. Now, how you format it, it's really cool. You put your header 1 tags and then your bullet points. So this is going to be bullet number 1, and then close it with that header 1 tag. And then put your content. The easiest way is if you put breaks in between, so that way just after your small short summary or paragraph, put some breaks there. You can put 1 or 2, it doesn't really matter. So there's your first bullet point. And then this is really cool. When you put your second bullet point in, I just copied and pasted that because, you know, of course you're going to have a different bullet point. I'll show you. Bullet number 3. Yeah, almost done. Okay, summary. This is the title of my page, because we can't really change the title yet. We'll figure it out. Okay, and this is a minor edit, or watch this page. I don't really know what those two mean, but save page. And you see how the bullets are actually show up right here in the contents, and then it lets you automatically scroll, which is really cool. It kind of formats itself. So that's how we can start editing these pages. If you find a way that you can edit these titles, so that would be good also. I would appreciate it.